When you're multiplying rational numbers that include decimals, there's two different things you have to remember. Here in this type of problem, you are multiplying these decimals. Our steps for multiplying decimals is that you multiply as normal and you ignore the decimals at the beginning. And then once you've found the product, you add the decimal in. And then over here, you're subtracting decimals. When you add or subtract decimals, you need to make sure to line up those decimals. So let's take the very first part of this problem. You always have to do the multiplication or division first. So I am going to write my problem this way, so it's a little bit easier to multiply. So 9 times 2 is 18, carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 5 is 10. I am finished multiplying by my ones, so I'm going to put my place marker down. And now I'm going to begin multiplying by my tens. So 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 5 is 5. And now I add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 5 is 6. I now have to factor in my decimals. So over here, my first number, I have 1, 2, and 1 here, that makes 3. That means I need to put in my decimal 1, 2, 3 spots. So now I'm going to take this number right here and subtract my next number. So now I need to subtract these two numbers. I need to make sure that I line up my decimals, so I'm going to write them vertically. 6.468, and I'm going to make sure I line up those decimals. 1.308, and now I'm going to subtract. 8 take away 8 is 0. 6 take away 0 is 6. 4 take away 3 is 1. Bring down that decimal. 6 take away 1 is 5.